Hey, this is Aaron of Square Thunder, and this is episode number 36 of Fast Logo Friday. Every week, right here, I design a logo based on a random weird word. Our word today is ZYDECO. Z-Y-Z-Y? I'm Canadian. Z-Y-D-E-C-O. ZYDECO is a popular music from the southern U.S. states, particularly lower Louisiana, a little bit of Alabama, maybe eastern Texas as well. And it really combines the style of Cajun and early jazz and Caribbean and a bit of blues, definitely with a strong French influence as well. I really like that type of music. It's a lot of fun. I don't listen to it all the time, but it's pretty cool. I really like some of the things that are going on there. ZYDECO music typically features accordion and guitar and some interesting percussion choices like washboard, like my abs, and some other shaker stuff and drum set as well, and usually some violin and horns as well. Today I'm going to use the word ZYDECO to design a logo for a brand of, and this is a really new category to me. I really am just kind of discovering that this even exists. I'm gonna design a logo for a non-alcoholic bourbon. I know, I was totally unaware for some reason that there are zero alcohol or very low alcohol content liquors meant for using in cocktails, martinis, or cocktails of various sorts, an old-fashioned or something like that, or a gin and tonic. There's de-alcoholized or low-alcohol gin. There's whiskey that's non-alcohol. You get all of the flavor, all of the burn, the intensity, and none of the... So, hey, if that's your thing, check it out. I don't know where actually you can find this stuff. It's probably kind of hard to come by, but I know you can get de-alcoholized beer, around here you can buy that in the grocery store. It's like next to nothing %. I've not ever had the chance to try it. Well, I've had the chance, I've never taken the chance to try it. I hear it's pretty terrible, but some people, that's their thing, right? So what I'm going to do is design a logo for a non-alcoholic bourbon. We're going to call it ZYDECO Zero, and we'll see where we go. I'm going to start off, like usual, sketching out some rough ideas on paper, and then we're going to move into Illustrator, refine one of those a little bit further, and then finally I'll show the finished product in some mock-ups, a package design, label or whatever, a couple of ads maybe, and just show what the logo might look like in a real-world context. That's really important as we design stuff, to see what it's going to look like and show our clients what it's going to look like. Not just a logo on a page, but in the real world. So, hey, let's get started, see what we can come up with. If you like what you're hearing on Fast Logo Friday with the music, I always pick all my music from Epidemic Sound, and there's a link down in the description below here on YouTube. If you click that, they'll kick back a little bit to help support the channel. So if you like what you're hearing, click the link below. Check out Epidemic Sound. They've got a really wicked collection of all kinds of awesome music that you can use royalty free in all of your multimedia and video productions and stuff like this. So check it out, and I'd appreciate it. Makes a big difference when they help support the channel like this. This has been episode number 36 of Fast Logo Friday. What do you think? Would you try zero alcohol bourbon? I don't know. I'd be willing to try it. I don't know. I'm just not a bourbon guy. That's the way it is. Anyway, if you like what you see here, give it a thumbs up, click the like button, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already done that. You know you want to get a notification of all the episodes that we do here on Fast Logo Friday and other stuff that we might put together here at Square Thunder. If there is a branding project that you would love some help on, I would be just thrilled to get in touch with you and talk with you about that a little bit further. Hit me up at squarethunder.com. I'd love to chat. I hope I'll see you next week right here on Fast Logo Friday. Thanks for watching. Catch you next time. Stay awesome.